continue, Mr. I'm sorry.
It's okay, Miss. Thank you for your effort. Okay, once again, welcome everyone. So my name is Afrizal. I help Miss Lolo to explain about the outline of our meeting in Ramadan month. So in Ramadan we have the coach. Our natural is coaching our student in storytelling. Okay. I don't think I don't need to read this, so let's skip. Okay, the guideline. So our theme today is focus on Folk 4. It is a Folk 4. Can you read it, everyone? Should I make it bigger? So the main point is like reminding our generation about the story, because most of, maybe for us we still remember some of the stories, but for the new one the people are reading some novel and something else. So we want to reminding again that our country has its own story. Okay, back to the topic. So the participant, we have elementary and secondary students. And the locations, the registration start from 14th of January and will end in 2nd of March. And the submissions will be done in 3rd of March. So after that, all the submission will be closed. And the final sections, the final announcements will be announced in 6th of March. And all the finalists will be doing their competition again. Yeah, the final one in 14th of March. And the location will be informed later. Okay, about the story itself, it depends on the level of students. So for level 1, the story is Timun Mas, and the durations of the story is from 1 to 2 minutes. So we can estimate that elementary 1st until 3rd grade. For level 2, the story is of Malin Kundang. The duration are same, so 1 to 2 minutes. With estimation elementary students 4th to 6th grade. And level 3, the story is Danau Toba. Duration is increased a bit, so 2 until 3 minutes by secondary students. But once again, we have our own level, so we will put them based on their capability. Level 1 to level 3, because sometimes even they are adult, their level still level 1. And the story script, video frames, everything already put in the website. In the link, yes, digitally storytelling. So if the students or the parent asking about how to do the record, what should doing everything about that, it can access from that link. And also the frame, because the video will be framed. There's a frame of video.
Where is that the link, Mister?
Over there.
There's
Do you say like that?
Okay. In case there are some parents asking about
The regulation and so on. Okay, so there are some general rules for the students or for the participants here. The first is they should speak clearly and loudly. Use expressions happy, sad, surprised, based on the story to make the story lively or more fun. So gesture and body movement are allowed, so they can use some body movement. No reading from the paper or phone, so storytelling must be memorized. Don't worry, because the storytelling already sent by us in the link too. So the student just follow the link. Okay, back to this. Wearing polite and creative dress code, so they may use any dress code like traditional one maybe, or something that related with the story. We will give it back to their creativity. So using people properties will give more coins. you can use instrumental background, so it can make the video not like silent, only but like focus on their story. So there is something like improving the story, enhance that story, like some backgrounds that help. Okay, and there is a note here. So the general rules are obligate for both rounds. So for the semi-final and also the final letter. Okay, for here, before we continue, is there any questions?
Yeah, it's over here.
Oh,
The
so here.
instrumental big sound is will get more points or no for the instrumental big sound.
Yes, that's part of
Yes,
Part of
part of the point, but make sure that the voice is louder than the background.
Okay. So
And there's
it
no
will give-
editing for the semi-final. So I think like the editing of the video like cut, but they can put the instrumental back sound, but
Not
without
allowed.
any
There's
editing
no-
of
So
the
as a background.
back sound.
Understand.
No cut there.
No cut.
Okay.
But they have to put the frame we already provided.
How about the frame? Is it just the semi-final or since they uploaded?
For
they
everyone.
Use
Since the
the
beginning.
background. Sorry, the frame.
For everyone.
This year semi-final.
Just semi-final.
Oh.
Frame.
Yeah, for everyone, right? The
Oh, for
frame.
everyone.
The frame is
The frame is for the videos
online.
online.
The finals is for offline guys, so it didn't need frame.
Frame anymore because they will be performed offline
So the
for the
frame-
final, yeah.
Oh.
So the frame of the video is only for semi-final.
Huh?
Wait,
For I mean for
For everyone, for
online,
participant, for all
online
participant.
competitions.
For online competition.
Because
So-
we have two
so
rounds, right?
there is no
Semi-final
The
and
semi-final is online.
No,
Itu yang
no, no.
maksudnya.
Yeah, masih-
Okay,
No,
let me
no,
clear.
no, no, no.
Everyone, let me clear.
Uh-uh.
So the competition is only twice. The first is
Uh-huh.
like the what
step one.
step?
The first,
Let's
qualification.
see, yeah, qualification, yeah. And
Qualification.
after that, directly to the semi-final,
to the final.
to the final. So semi-final ini.
Yes,
semi-final.
I will
So like
delete.
qualification, after that directly to final. So the frame for the video it used for everyone in qualification stage.
I have to revise it.
It's just like the Bengala,
Yeah,
do you know
Bisa-bisa.
Bengala Erlangga competition?
Yes.
Yeah.
Just like that. It's for the
Participant.
participant.
But yeah.
All the participant have to must use that frame for
Yeah.
uploading or for registration.
Oh yeah, I mean like not just for the semi-final.
No.
There's no question.
Yeah, let's make us confused
Yeah,
because
yeah,
you
yeah.
write semi-final and the semi-final.
So
Thank you for
qualification,
reminding me.
Yeah.
qualification directly to final
Okay.
with 9
Yeah, like the
participants,
first
9 candidates.
uploading we have already used the frame.
Mhm.
So you can remind students that they have to use the frame provided in the link.
Okay,
Yes, I have to revise it.
it's okay. May I?
Okay.
Alright, so let's move to this final ya Miss ya.
Yeah, final.
Okay, this is for the final.
Oh,
For the
yes,
participant.
for the submission.
Yeah, for the submissions. Okay, rules for the participant ya, for the submissions. The video must use English Echoes of Nusantara 26 frame template or be prepared by us. The video frame template can be downloaded via link, the same link with the story. So everything in there, so don't worry. The video must be uploaded on Instagram and follow the required format set by the committee. Format is already put there. The participants must follow the official English Trade Instagram account. In the caption, participants must include the official competition hashtag and others related. For example, like hashtag EP Storytelling 2026.
And we already provide the caption
In the link.
in the link.
In the link.
So they just have to copy paste, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And write their name.
So they don't need to think complicated. Okay, please note here the videos that do not comply with the required format, clip-on usage, can't follow and hashtag requirement will be disqualified. So make sure the students already follow all the requirements here. And the hashtag, the follow, the captions, and everything. After they already upload, just make sure they everything already sent. Okay, now let's move on to scoring indicator. Okay, the indicator itself is divided into five things. The first is pronunciation and clarity with the point 25%. So clear pronunciation, understandable words, and correctly sound. The second one is fluency. The third one, expression and intonation. The fourth one, body language and gesture. And the last one, the confidence and speech presence. Like eye contact, the interaction with audience, like how they attract the audience and so on. Okay. Can we send that to them? Nanti ini aja. Later I will send this to you. I think it's already sent in the group. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
It's just a lesson plan. Yeah.
Only listen.
I mean in the
poster.
the family
Ah.
It's
is
already included there.
I'm not into the family group.
It's in the family group.
Okay, let's. I don't have. Alright, let's move on here. This for the reward. So for the winner will be choose for each level. So there are 3 winners for level 1, level 2, and level 3. For best for each. So the price is cash plus 1 month fee, free, like discount fee.
Free tuition fee.
Tuition, oh yeah, sorry. Intention, 1 month intention free.
Wait, what is that?
This one.
I'm sorry, guys.
1 month free the other.
It's for tuition fee, but it's not a regular class, Mister.
Only for the next, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
No, it's not for regular class. It's for speaking class.
Iya, untuk tahun depannya lagi bukan?
I don't get it. I don't get it.
Who added it? Wait. 1 month free. It's not
So-
regular.
So
Sorry.
after this competition, we will have
Oh,
a
public speaking class.
public speaking class, and the student is the finalist. So we have 9 finalists. So we will open the public speaking class. I don't know which
Yeah, the
is
free public speaking
the
class.
assistant.
So that's out of the English
Yeah.
Do you
They,
know?
they don't use regular book,
Yeah.
right?
So the regular one.
Do you know the program? I mean the future programs. What should they do? What should they teach?
No, it hasn't discussed it yet.
We're still planning the concept.
Yeah. Still
For the public.
far beyond future, Mr. Ya.
Yeah, but if there is a parents ask for that, just explains that the free month is not for regular class, it's for the
New class,
the
new program.
class, new program.
When will it start?
After Fitri.
Oh.
Yeah, but it's not directly after.
They will be like.
December.
Yeah, that's not wrong. Yeah. But that's too far.
Okay, back to the topic.
Okay, I keep going. Yeah.
Maybe I will revise it for 1 month free public speaking class. So it will be clear.
Okay, trophy and also certificate. Okay, look here, there will be 9 finalists. It means like for each level there are 3 candidates. Like level 1, 3 candidates, level 2, 3 candidates, and level 3, 3 candidates. So there are 9 finalists that will be doing their final round in the final stage later. Okay, all finalists will be obtained e-certificate. Oh, sorry, a certificate, yeah. A certificate, the physical certificate, as a finalist and free public speaking class. All participants will be obtained e-certificate. So for the finalists, they will get the physical.
9 finalists, yeah.
Yeah, only
Yeah,
the finalists, the
for the
9
finalists.
finalists. But for the others who already join and follow the participant, they will get the E1. Yeah, I think so. Okay, for this one, starting already submitted, yeah, for the tutor and also the parents. So they already knew like the fee. For the internal one, they are 10,000 rupiah, and for the external, for auto students outside ET is 25,000 rupiah. And this is the contact persons. Okay, this all about the guidelines. So far, is there any questions, guys, before I end this?
So every student in the English League must join the competition. Must, yeah, and then of course let's say 300 students join. Then you will take 9 for semi-final, and then how about the final?
That's the final.
This is the final, 9 is the final.
It's just 9 is the
Grand final.
The grand final.
Grand final.
So,
So the 9 student will get all the cash, blah, 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 blah.
Certificate.
no, only certificate.
How about the
Yeah.
participants? The rest of the participants? I mean the
E-certificate.
students who paid the contributions fee for these competitions.
Only
This for
for
10,000.
only for age.
A certificate.
Oh, E.
As a
A certificate.
Same as the grand finalists.
The grand finalists, yeah, but the grand finalists are the physical one, the physical certificate. But for the other who, let's say, can go up to the finalist, they got the e-certificate. Yang nggak dapat, yang sorry, I use the listen ya, biar paham ya. Intinya semua partisipan itu dapatnya certificate kecuali yang masuk ke grand final. Grand final
Nine
itu semua,
students.
semua grand final itu dapat sertifikat fisik, berupa fisik. Tapi yang dapat hadiah trofi semacamnya itu yang 3 besar.
Yeah, that's why I asked that one.
Mm-mm.
Like, they
Okay,
got
that-
trophy, cash,
Itu untuk 3 besar.
And but for the 9 finalists will get 1 free public speaking class.
Dan public speaking class.
That's that's the difference between the
So
participant and the finalists.
Mm-mm.
each level will has
One
winner.
winner.
oh okay.
One winner. That's why we just have
One
3
winner,
winners.
but for the finalists will get 3 itu.
One level 3.
Ya, di grand final will be like 3
Three
for each
finalists.
lah, 3 masing-masing 3. Di level 1 3 orang, level 2 3 orang, level 3 3 orang.
Correct me if I'm wrong.
Mm-hmm.
Wrong.
3 level.
Correct.
We have 3 level. Each
Mhm.
level 3 participants, and then it's me 9. From that 9,
Mm-hmm.
you
You choose
will
for
choose
each.
3
Mm-hmm.
best
Mm-hmm.
for one for each level. And then, so yang cuma dapat free tuition and
Iya.
ini kan just 6,
Iya.
ya kan ya?
Semuanya dapat 9 juga.
Nine.
Ya kan, tapi
Yang
yang 3 dapat cash.
Iya,
Jadi
tapi ada
dapat-
trofinya,
ya,
trofinya
jadi-
ada trofi. Ada trofinya juga kan Miss, ini loh.
Ya sih.
Mana sih? Nah, jadi kan yang ini kan fee sama sertifikat ini pasti 2 ini. Ini gak ada pointernya ya. Ini sama ini kan sama lah 9 besar itu kan. Nah, cuma yang untuk 3 besarnya ini dapat trofi and cash.
How about if the student, because it's Ramadan program, yeah, I mean the student who want to join competition or not still have coaching.
Yeah.
Ya kan? Nah, if the student maybe forget or haven't paid 10,000 or something,
Mhm.
don't want to join competition, What do they get? Nothing.
Yeah.
They didn't
Didn't
pay
pay for
to
the
join the competition, right?
She's joined for the Ramadan activity,
Yeah.
but not
Yeah.
join the competition.
Yeah, just
It's just
It's just like
it's just lesson only learning the
Yeah.
They will get it, ma.
hikmahnya.
knowledge.
Relation.
Relation.
si Deddy
Supaya nggak gabut.
And the value, hikmahnya.
Yeah. The value of being confident, ya. I think
I
that's
have a
it.
question about the scoring.
Yeah, go. Ya, minggu.
Nah, siapa perempuan kalau itu mesti di minimal gini loh. Misalnya ya layarnya tuh di
For example, like secondary level, secondary students. There are four
Saving better.
level 3, right? For the storytelling, yeah. And then the duration for the story 2 to 3 minutes, right? How about if they show it well, like pronunciation, fluency, expression, intonation, body language, and the others from the indicator, but they run out the time more than 3 minutes.
More than.
More than 3
This
minutes.
is fine.
This
That's
one.
whatever. I mean,
But
As long as not
less than
30 minutes, yeah.
less than 2 minutes.
As long as not 30 minutes, yeah.
because we know that even though like Siskia's secondary student are not really memorize all the whole of story, but they know how to convey the story. So maybe the secondary student will improve
That
on
one,
the
yeah.
story.
It's okay.
It's okay.
I mean, more is fine, but no less than that.
It will be good.
But don't too much, yeah. 10 minutes, I think that's too much, yeah.
No, because in the previous Ramadan activity kan, I teach for the highest level 3. Pinocchio. I know that from the Naruto story and Pinocchio is more longer, more longer
complicated.
and complicated to convey. So actually we set for
7 minutes.
7 minutes for the maximum last year. But the whole like secondary student, especially kan I teach Miss Anisa's class not XP A2 plus. Two of them more than 7, like 10. That's it.
It's okay.
It's okay, Miss. That's yeah.
That's why in the Tanaka script it make it shorter. So it's
Shorter.
suitable with the duration.
And if there's a question from the parent yesterday, can the students add the script? They can if they want to improvise, but it's not out of the script that we have already provided. But they can still improvise and also add the script. Like maybe they want to put more expressions. That's totally fine.
Maybe you can show the screen.
Yeah.
So the script is big, guys, just a small amount of script. So there are 6 pictures here. So for each picture, it's like almost a narration and a dialogue or subtitles.
So you can still add.
For each, yeah.
It's picture.
So there are 6 of them, yeah. So this is the first one, the second is this one. She's the coffee bean. No, you're joking.
Yeah, looks like
It's like cacao.
How?
cacao.
So after the seed grow, yeah, following the story lah ya. So we revise it into the easier way
It's
to,
like pumpkin.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh my god. And then, yeah. Sponsor by Milo.
Away.
Oh no!
You can still add the word
Timunas.
Mesh.
Sorry.
Timun Mas.
There will be some student that will say Timunas.
Yeah, Timun
Timun
Mas.
True.
Oh, it's name.
Ladies.
Nanti mau masak sama orang. Jadi gak usah dibuat. So that's like one of the example of the script. So the script is easy to memorize, to be honest. Yeah. But if they wanna like improvise, it's fine. Okay. Is there any additional question, guys? If not, the next will be performed by Mr.
Okay, finish.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Rizal.
Thank you, Mr. Rizal, for explaining.
Baca ini udah mana sih? Bisa ingat. Pokoknya bisa besok jam 4 bisa dibahas. Udah lah, nanti habis ini. Sebentar lagi gajian saya Mas. Okay, attention guys.
Okay, if you have no any questions for Mr. Afizal, then I will continue the explanations. Is it fine if I use Indonesian? Or I have to?
Yeah, it's okay. Indonesia is okay.
To make it clear.
Oke, jadi sebelumnya saya akan breakdown dulu lesson plan dan juga modul yang akan dipakai untuk public speaking class ini. Jadi sesuai dengan levelnya, level 1 nanti golden jumper, terus level 2 itu paling kundang, dan level 3 itu Danau Toba. Untuk meeting 1 sampai 3 itu fokus ke memorizing. Kalau 4 sama 5 itu drilling. Jadi semua teorinya itu ada di meeting 1 sampai 3. Jadi modulnya di sini sudah saya sesuaikan. Di meeting 1, 2, dan 3-nya itu ngapain aja gitu. Baru nanti di meeting keempat sama 5 itu fokus ke drilling. Nah, meeting 6 sampai 8 itu additional activities like fun activities that they can do. Jadi setelah meeting kelima itu nanti mereka bisa di-remind untuk mengumpulkan videonya, karena pada meeting kelima itu besoknya adalah deadline-nya gitu. So let's go for the first meeting. Jadi goal dari meeting ini adalah siswa dapat memahami definisi dari storytelling. Sudah saya sesuaikan di sini. Boleh storytelling, nanti bisa disampaikan terlebih dahulu apa sih storytelling itu. Terus siswa dapat memahami karakter dari cerita. Nah, di sini sudah saya paparkan karakter masing-masing tokoh, namanya, terus sifatnya bagaimana. So her name is Mbok Rondo. She is patient and caring. Who is she? Mbok Rondo. Gitu. Nanti bisa disesuaikan sama metode teman-teman, karena saya yakin pasti teman-teman udah punya banyak banget experience, so we can use your own method. Terus selanjutnya ada ini kayak who is this, confirm about testing their understanding about the characters, and then where does the story take place, jelaskan juga tempatnya itu di mana, terjadinya itu di mana. Oh, it's in Mbok Rondo's house and also jungle. Tuh, biar mereka ada gambaran. Lalu kalau sudah, kita bisa memulai ceritanya. Nah, start from the opening. Jadi nanti bisa di drilling untuk mengikuti opening yang sudah saya siapkan di sini. Kalau mau dibuat lebih bervariasi, that's okay. Tapi ini adalah contoh biar memudahkan anak-anak juga gitu. Terus masuk ke scene. Jadi setiap meeting itu kita fokus ke 2 scene. Totalnya tadi kan ada 6 scene ya. Nah, berarti kalau meeting pertama itu scene 1 sama 2, meeting kedua berarti 3, 4, meeting ketiga 5, 6 kayak gitu. Kalau yang meeting 1 itu ditambah sama openingnya. Kalau meeting ketiga itu ditambah sama moral value sama closing. Nah, di sini teman-teman bisa mengajarkan anak-anak bagaimana mengucapkan statement yang ada di cerita ini dan juga sesuai dengan karakternya. Misalkan kayak Mbok Darmi berarti Mbok Darmi, Borondo. Borondo. Nah, itu berarti suaranya bisa disesuaikan sama suara orang tua kayak I need a baby kayak gitu. Mungkin teman-teman bisa lebih explore ya. Terus nanti bisa di ya scroll down. Oh ini ya.
Okay.
Nah setelah scene-nya nanti bisa dikenalkan beberapa kata yang berkaitan sama kalimat yang ada di ceritanya kayak lonely, Borondo was lonely. Nah lonely kan juga masuk gitu biar memudahkan mereka untuk menghafal ceritanya. Kalau udah nanti ada memorization challenge. Jadi mereka diminta untuk membuat 2 line 1, 2. Jadi 5 kan 10 anak ya. 5 nanti berhadapan. Terus mereka nanti saut-sautan. Contohnya kayak dimulai dari sini. Mungkin 2 kata atau dimulai dari gurunya. I need a baby gitu. Mereka menyaut. Terus Borondo was lonely. Nah, terus teman-teman bisa pilih salah satu anak di line tersebut secara random. I need a baby. Terus dia nunjuk ke depan ke anak di depannya secara random juga, terserah. Dan mereka harus mengikutinya, gitu, melanjutkannya. Jelaskan boleh ya?
Line-nya bukan katanya.
Nah itu bisa 2 kata, tergantung teman-teman di mana. I need a baby. Borondo was lonely, itu bisa. She had no child, gitu. Jadi di saling penyaut gitu. Mungkin dari sini ada pertanyaan, any question? Nah untuk metodenya sendiri bisa dieksplor sama teman-teman. Dan di sini sudah saya siapkan ice breaking juga untuk meeting pertama dan kedua. But for the rest of the meetings, you can explore it yourself. Misalkan nanti teman-teman ada metode lain untuk menghafal, nah itu bisa diimplementasikan juga. Ini hanya metode tambahan. Barangkali nanti ada waktu yang tersisa, itu teman-teman bisa implementasikan metode yang ini aplikasikan. Any question for the first meeting? Jadi goalnya adalah bagaimana anak-anak itu bisa mengungkapkan scene pertama dan kedua dengan ekspresi dan intonasi yang tepat.
Nah, ada itu kalau kan yang anak sedang ya, ya nggak jadi kelas 3, 4, 5 gitu. Kadang-kadang kalau dicontohin suara, itu dia lupa, nggak hafal pas part suaranya gitu. Jadi dia hafal lainnya tapi mana ya suara lain mana ya yang harus pakai suara gitu. Itu gimana Miss?
Oh, lain mana yang harus pakai suara?
Misalnya I need a baby, itu biasanya pakai suara nenek ya. Kadang jadi itu lupa, nggak pakai intonationnya walaupun sudah diajarin misalnya.
Oh,
Udah dicontohin. Nah,
mungkin bisa penandanya ini Miss. Nanti kalau ada ini kayak gambar ini yang di box itu kan mereka kan aku printin ya Miss. Aku printin posternya, poster yang sudah ditunjukin sama Mr. Afizal tadi. Nah itu kan ada 6 scene. Nah itu setiap meeting nanti aku potong 2 scene. Jadi mereka bisa fokus ke 2 scene yang harus dihafal. Nah itu nanti Miss bisa nunjukin, dikasih tanda aja Miss untuk anak-anak yang bingung. Nanti kalau ada gambar yang di box ini, nanti suaranya dibedain ya gitu.
Jadi kalau yang bawah itu pakai suara asli, kalau yang atas yang dilingkarin itu berarti pakai suara yang sesuai dengan gambarnya. Kalau orang tua berarti harus pakai suara orang tua kayak gitu. Mungkin itu bisa jadi penanda. Kalau cuma tulisan aja kan mereka bingung ya. Dan nanti aku printin sama ilustrasinya juga. Kalau di Karampung berarti nanti Mr. Afrizal yang print. Question is, kalau mau nambah dialog juga bisa. Kemarin ada yang nanyain dari orang tua, misalkan ditambah dialognya gimana gitu. Boleh, malah bagus kalau kreatif gitu.
Ini pas kita ngajar juga share screen kayak gitu, apa kita
Iya,
pakai
share
share
screen.
paper?
Share screen.
Yang paper tuh nggak yang tadi itu yang nggak akan dibagikan sama
Ini sama itu student kan, kita pakai yang
itu yang akan di share. Ya. So,
I have question. Itu kan ada 6 scenes ya. Itu kalau 6 scenes itu apa memang udah dicoba memenuhi durasi 1 menit itu kah?
Kalau opening sama ditambah opening sama closing udah. As long itu nggak terlalu cepet ya. Kan biasanya kalau storytelling kan ada body movement-nya, menghayatinya gitu. Biar nggak terlalu cepet.
Ya susah katanya dia nggak biasa gitu-gitu.
Nah, nanti jadi kalau mau ditambah juga nggak apa-apa. Misalkan di sini di buto hijaunya gitu, this is for you, lah mau ditambah, it's okay. Kalau misalnya mau ditambah. Tapi kalau untuk semuanya itu estimasi 1 menit itu cukup. Selagi itu nggak kecepatan. Baik, Borando was lonely, she had no child, itu kan terlalu cepat ya. Tapi kalau storytelling kan harus ada penghayatannya. Borando was lonely, she had no child. Itu kan agak lambat gitu. Okay, next, any question, Miss? No, okay. Let's go to the second meeting. Nah, setiap meeting itu nanti aku minta tolong ke teman-teman untuk remind the students to memorize the first and the second scene. Kalau di meeting pertama berarti the first, second scene sesuai dengan paper yang sudah di-share. Jadi nanti mereka bisa bawa kertasnya untuk dihafalkan. Baru nanti di next meetingnya itu dicek lagi memorization-nya.
Jadi ada activity yang buat ngecek juga ya di next meeting buat review gitu.
itu check student memorization itu.
Ya.
Coba di previous.
Nah, this one for the second meeting, ini kan ada teacher checks the students memorization. Nah, di sini bisa dimanfaatkan waktunya untuk cek memorization-nya mereka kalau ini setelah ice breaking. Terus untuk second meeting kita fokus ke expression sama intonation. Jadi ini ada materi tentang ekspresi dalam storytelling. Teacher shows the different expressions and intonations. Sudah saya buatkan gambar-gambar yang berkaitan. Jadi kayak how is your face if you are angry? How is your face when you are happy? How is your face when you are crying? Gitu. Itu bisa engaging the students gitu. Is he happy? Gitu. Bisa ditunjuk. Is he sad? Gitu. Nah, nanti the teacher asks the students to imitate various expressions on the module. Nah, jadi kan ada beberapa ekspresi. Nanti coba kalau ekspresi happy nanti disuruh untuk imitate the first picture. Kan ada the first picture. Senyum itu gimana? Happy itu gimana? Terus kalau sedih itu gimana? Ini kan udah ada gambarnya. Jadi mereka bisa diajak untuk mengikuti. Terus itu tadi teacher gives the example of and ask the students to imitate her and saying how is your face when you are angry. Itu bisa nunjuk satu anak randomly. Sania, how is your face when you are angry?
Yeah, this is angry.
It's not angry.
Now she's angry.
Oh, angry, that's angry, ya.
Demam.
Kayak gitu yang gitu.
Gak tahu.
Bacanya gimana?
Nah, Miss Arin, how is your face when you are happy?
She's okay.
Okay, just like that.
That's smiling lah. It's like that.
Ya, oke. Nah, habis itu
Kalau jauh hati aku nggak happy.
I'm not happy, Chris. How do you feel right now?
I'm crazy.
How's your face when you are crazy?
This is a normal face when I feel crazy.
Flat.
Sometimes tantrum.
Tantrum. Okay, so after that, teacher chooses 3 students to demonstrate these sentences. Jadi sentence-nya ini, I'm so happy today. Nah, ini ada contohnya, gambarnya sama expression-nya gimana. Nanti bisa choose the students randomly to follow, to imitate the picture. Baru kalau udah nanti masuk ke scene 3 sama 4. Dan jangan lupa untuk mengenalkan kosakata-kosakata yang ada di kalimat tersebut, kayak grow, terus came out, named, gitu. Kayak suaranya juga nanti diajarkan kalau yang di lingkaran itu gambarnya gede, kan itu butojo, itu berarti suaranya gede juga gitu. I want her gitu. Kita harus ditekankan di situ. Misalkan tadi ada case anak-anak yang bingung bedainnya gimana, Miss. Nah, itu bisa ditunjukkan ilustrasinya. Any question for the second meeting, Miss? For the memorization challenge, itu teacher ask the students to make a circle and do a connecting story game. Oke, jadi mereka nanti harus buat lingkaran. Terus nanti buat a connecting story game dimulai dari gurunya. Kayak dari awal tadi the cucumber grow, terus lanjut a baby came out, atau satu kalimat the cucumber grow, a baby came out. Itu bisa dimulai dari cerita yang paling awal, scene pertama. Untuk anak-anak yang nggak bisa menjawab, mereka harus berdiri dan dapat powder. Nanti disediain powder sama Mr. Afif. Jangan dipakai sendiri, Mr. ya.
Dari kawaii.
Okay. But if you want to implement your method here, if you have more time, so you can use for the student. Any question for this second meeting? So far, so good. So good. Ya. Jadi jangan lupa lagi untuk remind students to memorize the third and fourth scenes yang sudah mereka pelajari, dan juga diingatkan kembali untuk dihafalkan yang scene sebelumnya di materi sebelumnya dan juga materi pada hari itu. Jadi ada 4 scene yang harus mereka hafalkan. Dan kalau remind anak-anak juga untuk menjaga itu ya, keep the papers, jangan sampai hilang. Karena nanti in the end of section akan di staples, jadi biar urut dari awal sampai akhir.
Berarti tangannya per dua gitu.
Jadi mereka bisa fokus ke scene yang dibutuhkan.
Langsung kita terus poin habis.
Okay, if you have no questions, let's go to the third meeting. Bagaimana?
Ada siapa?
Could be.
It's open.
Nah, I think that.
Is it safe?
It's okay. It's okay.
Because it's open. Nobody's there. Okay. Body movement and gesture. Jadi fokusnya sini adalah memperkenalkan gesture dan juga body movement dalam storytelling. Walaupun sebelumnya teman-teman udah spill kan, kayak nanti gesturnya gini ya gitu. Tapi di meeting ketiga ini lebih tekankan, oh ternyata di storytelling itu kita butuh loh yang namanya gesture gitu. Apa itu gesture? What is gesture? Gesture is when you blah blah blah. Ditunjukin gesture itu kayak gimana. For example, keep silent. This is gesture. Gitu. Nanti bisa choose the student randomly to follow this gesture. Atau mungkin teman-teman bisa nambahin kayak gesture apa gitu, kayak lari. How is your gesture if you're running gitu? How is your gesture if you wake up? Body movement sebenarnya sama ya, cuma kalau body movement kan, kalau gesture kan bisa hanya berdiri aja kan, berdiri gini-gini. Tapi kalau body movement mereka ada perpindahan.
Dia tuh tapi dia tak ada gerak-gerak.
Body language. Ada body language.
Body language
Bersatu.
bahasa tubuh. Gesture, which is like
Itu sama ya gesture ya.
In some ways, iya.
Soalnya ya itu gesture is actually body language.
yeah, same as gesture. Okay, and then nah for the memorize, wait, habis itu lanjut ke scene 5 dan 6. Nah, habis 5 dan 6 baru nanti closing dan moral value. Misalkan mau dibuat lebih berbeda, that's totally fine. If maybe their parents wants to make it different, that's totally fine. But this is the template from English.
Itu aja harus guys. Oke.
Iya, closing. Tapi misalkan mau dibuat beda nggak apa, tapi harus ada closing sama moral value.
Gak posting doang. Thank you for listening.
Harus ada moral value-nya, nanti malah mengurangi nilainya. Dan mengurangi durasi juga. Udah dipasing. Or maybe like from this story we have to be brave and smart. Itu kan simple ya. Kalau buat anak-anak yang mungkin masih slow learner itu bisa dibuka. Okay, and then for the memorization challenge, they have to be divided into 2 lines. Kalau tadi kan berhadapan, yang di meeting pertama, yang meeting ketiga itu mereka buat 2 line tapi menghadap ke guru. Gitu. Jadi nanti kayak battle, line 1, line 2 nanti bisa dibuat nama grupnya. Mungkin ini grup sunflower, ini mungkin apa ya, lavender gitu. Nah nanti grup yang bisa jawab lebih banyak itu bakal dapat poin. Kalau mereka kalah berarti mereka harus perform the whole story in front of the class.
Wait, what question?
Buat question this one. Nah, jadi connecting stories still the same, masih sama kayak sebelumnya. Connecting stories from the start. The first scene, Mbak Rondo was dari gurunya dulu. Mbak Rondo was nanti dari sunflower sama lavender itu harus angkat tangan. Rebutan.
It's like a quiz for
Ada
the
quiz. But if they can answer the question, they have to get the order. Their face gitu kan. Order sama yang menang dapat poin. Nanti diakumulasi poin akhirnya berapa. Yang kalah berarti they have to perform the whole story from the start to the end in front of the class as a team together. Can you figure out?
Okay.
Any question, Miss?
For the lesson plan and activity, that's nice and what is it? Engaging. It just concern like if the students or the parents don't want to take video or forget or something. Okay. Just imagine.
Oh, so that's out of the Ramadan activity that you were concerned about the competition, not the Ramadan activity.
Okay, so that's why we need to remind students to for the video, to record the video, and we also from the academic we will remind the parents to record and also submit to the submission link in the group. So I hope that it can help to remind them. Or if you want to help, is it possible for the teachers help the students recording? Yes.
Actually, it will be too complicated for the teachers. Yeah.
It is more
Yeah, maybe the teacher can help with remind the students or in the 4th meetings or 5th meetings we will try to remind it again to the groups, and maybe for the teachers can remind it to the parents one by one. And let's try use Mr. Ati application that he said can
Aduh,
Request
the-
for all.
over the
All matters.
We need to absolute.
I don't know.
kemarin pakai laptop ini kok, laptop pendidikan.
And it can.
I haven't checked it yet, but he already like sends, and I have no idea about the result yet because after I finish, yeah, it's done. So I have no idea is
How
it
is-
success or not yeah about the send. Yeah.
Yeah, because kan nanti the student will mix. For example, I only have the parents number from the real regular class parents. Jadi kan harus pakai nomor aktif. Ya, kayak semua otaknya ada gitu loh.
Ya udah nanti pakai ini
Yeah,
aja.
or the teachers can send it from the admin numbers, yeah, but from the tab or what to do. Yeah. I mean, divide it things. Dibagi-bagi. Maybe for the third meeting, 30 students. The fourth meeting, 30 students. Itu dia.
Mungkin kalau ada yang di tanggal-tanggal dekat itu.
Iya.
So you should remind all the time to the students, the parents, students and parents.
Fourth, yeah, so start from the fourth meeting, you have to remind the student and also the parents.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We are for the fourth meeting. The
Berarti
meeting is the last
after
meeting for
fifth ya terakhir ya.
Fifth.
Six
Mereka harus sudah upload gitu ya. udah habis
besoknya.
Oh besok.
Jadi hari ini tuh fifth meeting,
Uh-huh.
besoknya itu deadline.
Oh.
The deadline is in the third March, and in the third March is we count that all of the class already finished the big meetings. Gitu.
Even
Before-
though
before the
actually, even though
deadline.
actually they cannot finish the fifth meeting yet.
We already count it 15
Finish.
meetings.
Oh,
All of the classes before third March.
Yes.
Because that's why we start at 16 February before the Ramadan.
Habis gimana kalau itu kan kalau Ramadan nanti tetap ada yang admin nge-share setiap hari
Iya.
itu kan. Diingatkan sambil ngetek itu gimana?
Iya. Itu satu-satu yang belum.
Itu kan setiap hari juga di teks satu-satu kan. Kan di hari itu apa yang di fourth meetingnya doang.
Iya, aku sih mikirnya nanti pas kan saya jadwal, tapi kan dalam jadwal Ramadan kan, jadi bawahnya juga ingatkan jangan lupa untuk upload video competition ini.
Kayak saat ini kan setiap
Iya.
kita mengucap share
Setiap
jadwal,
jadwal.
share Ramadan
Yes,
juga.
terus kalian dibikin story dari gitu.
Saya personal meetings. Kayak dia bilang.
Iya, atau nanti kita bisa share Google Form-nya kan, oh ini yang sudah, yang belum, harap gitu. Oh. Atau nanti tuh guru-guru ketika di kelas juga sambil share, ini loh kemarin tuh yang sudah nge-share, yang belum, ayo silakan. Coba saya sudah ada bilang mama ya.
And also, I remember that we have property right. Nah, di meeting keempat itu kan drilling, harusnya 4, 5 itu kan drilling. That's for drilling the students. So wait, let me show you the fourth meeting. Teacher shares cutting papers to student that contains the disorganized story. Jadi nanti kita siapin kalimat-kalimat random dari story itu. Jadi itu nanti mereka harus organize from the start to the end. Itu untuk memulai aktivitasnya. Baru nanti mereka bisa di drilling untuk praktek one by one in front of the teacher. Jadi di meeting keempat itu practice in front of the teacher one by one. But before that, they have to practice it together. So we have to check their memorization from the start to the end in the fourth meeting. And after that, I will provide the cutting papers, and they have to organize the story in pair with the partner. Jadi nanti mereka dibagi sama partnernya, terus dikasih kertas yang teman-teman itu, nanti they have to organize it like that to make them
To make sure that
yeah,
they
to make sure that
memorize.
they memorize it. And then after that, they have to demonstrate the story together. And after that, drilling the students one by one, check the performance one by one, and then you can give the feedback or evaluations to the students. And because they have to come forward one by one, right? What about the rest of the students? So they can prepare the property. The things that I and also the master teachers discussed before. What if we use the time for making the property miss while the other student come forward? Jadi nanti minta tolong buat teman-teman untuk remind the students pas meeting ketiga untuk membawa property apa sesuatu yang dibutuhkan untuk property nanti di first meeting, kayak mungkin kardus, terus kalau kemarin tuh mau buat itu kayak wayang-wayangan tuh kardus, terus sama stick. Nah kalau untuk gambarnya sendiri itu disiapkan oleh tim akademik. Kalau dari Demarsi pengennya yang kayak gitu. Nah mungkin dari teman-teman Karangbong ada ide properti itu bisa disampaikan. Nanti kita tinggal bantu aja cari apa yang dibutuhkan gitu. Nanti kita bantu juga untuk remind the parents in the group to bring the property stuff kayak kardus tuh berapa lembar.
So for the property, they have to prepare by themselves for board meeting. The property they have to prepare by themselves at home for the fourth meeting, and in the fourth meeting they have to organize the story with their peers like that.
No. So they have to bring the stuff that they need for the property on the fourth meeting.
Yeah, I see that. Yeah, in the third meeting can we remind them to bring.
Mm.
Yeah,
Yeah, okay. So
Bring
they
stuff.
make it in the fourth meeting.
yeah, like they make it in the fourth. They prepare at home.
Yeah.
They bring it
Yes.
in the fourth meeting,
And
in
then
the fourth
they
meeting.
use it. And they use the property in the fifth meeting for the last performance.
So they will make it in here.
Yeah.
Yeah, they make it.
Mhm.
So when the peers come forward, the others have to organize the story, right?
Alright, like this. So let's start from the opening. The opening, the teacher has warming up activity. So you guys can use your own ice breaking in this warming up activity, and after that, you can check the students' memorization for all scenes, and after that you can give the evaluations, and after that, the teacher shares the cutting papers to the students. Itu cuma sebagai apa ya, kayak bridging sebelum drilling gitu. Jadi we will prepare the cutting papers and then you can share to the students. But before that, you can ask the students to find out the partner atau bisa dipilihkan partnernya. Habis itu dikasih kertas itu, nanti mereka harus organize from the start to the last. And after that, if they finish, they can perform in front of the teacher one by one. Nah, pas perform itu kan yang lainnya kan kosong, nggak ngapa-ngapain, nungguin giliran mereka kan. Nah, mereka bisa gunakan waktunya itu buat properti.
Isi properti itu kan?
Iya.
Ya.
Gitu. Jadi abis organizing the story tadi.
Kenapa itu in pairs?
Prepare agar memudahkan.
Soalnya itu kan ibaratnya kayak kalau project presentation kan kayak latihan terakhir gitu kan. Berarti kan dia harus ngambil take videos di setelah meeting keempat itu kan. Iya bukan?
Nah, peersnya itu yang dia kerjain paper.
Baru aja.
Dia yang nanti ke depannya itu bukan satu persatu.
One by one. Jadi itu hanya untuk apa ya, bridging.
One by one kan in the fifth meeting, right?
One by one in the fourth meeting in front of the teacher.
Bisa ask student to perform.
The fifth meetingnya one by one in front of the class.
In front of the class. Oh.
Kalau yang meeting keempat itu di depan guru satu persatu, baru nanti dikasih feedback, dikasih motivasi. Kalau di meeting kelima itu baru mereka perform one by one in front of the class.
Pas di kelas dan front teacher perlunya sibuk gitu ya.
So in the fourth meeting, the first is we have to check student memorization about the previous meeting, okay? And after that, we are going to give them the papers. Yeah, they have to organize that, and then they have to present it as a pairs, right?
They just
Content.
read. They just
Read.
read.
Yeah, just read, right?
So the teachers just get around. They don't need to bring info to the teacher. So the teacher just check. Where's your result? Bisa dicek satu-satu tanpa mereka
But you, so we just have to check.
Yeah, you just need to check the students.
After checking, and then one by one, face to
Practice.
face with the teacher,
With the
right?
teacher.
While the others have to prepare the property
Yes.
and prepare the property. Okay, got it.
Oh, yang misalnya.
No,
We
just
confused.
thinking.
Oh, yeah. Is it understandable, guys?
Okay.
Okay, if you have no questions, we can go to the last, the fifth meeting. The fifth meeting, the students have to perform the whole scenes in front of all students. Kalau yang sebelumnya tadi itu one by one to the teachers, sekarang one by one in front of the class. Gitu. But before this, you can have like a drilling activity. So it's all up to you. If you want to use a particular method, you can just implement it in the class. But in Galaxy, they request flashcard. We also need flashcard. Jadi flashcardnya nanti isinya kita ilustrasi sama skripnya.
Gambarnya aja dan gambarnya ada.
Oh, gambarnya aja.
Sama tulisannya.
Oh, berarti urutannya sama they have to convey.
Iya. Ini gambarnya ceritanya.
In Demasi, they want to use the box and we have just print the picture. But in Karambol, you want to just use itu yang tebel kita sebut buffalo ya, buffalo. You want to use buffalo paper or you want to follow Demasi
For what?
for the flashcard.
Yeah.
You print out the paper and then stick it into the box, yeah, on the box. You would see like that. Robert Karambol.
We will
You want to use like that, same or just use buffalo.
Kertas karton atau kertas buffalo yang
For the fresh
The
Kalau
flashcard,
karton itu gede-gede ya,
Yang
tempel-tempel
tempel.
gitu.
Nanti masih harus ditempel-nempel gitu. Jadi kita
Oh,
hanya print
iya.
biasa.
Aku juga mikirnya tadi bikin wayang itu enak pakai buffalo atau yang sertifikat itu loh. Jadi kan guntingnya nggak susah kayak pakai kardus.
Oke, berarti kalau Karangbong itu buffalo ya?
Iya, kalau
Aku buffalo sih. Soalnya kemarin yang di Damarsi udah aku offer itu juga kan, pakai buffalo atau pakai kardus. Nah mereka mau pakai yang kardus. Nah, tapi balik lagi dari teman-teman nanti gimana?
nanti levelnya nanti kalau yang gede kan kalau kardus mereka bisa, kalau yang kecil kan bisa yang gede kan.
sama mereka yang
Ini flashcardnya,
Flashcard.
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 Iya ya,
Pegangan
yang nanti
yang-
wayangnya itu loh.
Oh yang wayang itu
properti.
Itu kan dari anaknya.
Tapi nanti dari gurunya juga itu ngasih nih kayak apa aja yang perlu dibawa kayak kardus, terus gunting, terus lem. Nah itu nanti perlu disampaikan ke anak-anak gitu, sama disampaikan ke tim akademik karena kita harus remind yang yang ke grup orang tua gitu. Tapi kalau yang tadi yang yang buffalo tadi yang kita maksud itu adalah flashcardnya. Nah itu dari Karangbong pengennya pakai buffalo atau sama kayak Damasi itu pakai kardus yang ditempelin sama kertas yang di print gitu.
harus use karton, misalnya saya use buffalo misalnya.
Karton itu kardus.
Ah, kardus apa? Oh, kardus karton.
Iya beda.
Tapi yang
gede itu loh buat
kalau
poster.
kardus karton jadi sedikit merepotkan Miss. Nah, jadi Miss harus itu
Ada
nempel-nempelin.
tinggal gunting. Cuma flashcard doang.
Iya.
Kalau Buffalo kan
semua yang Atlanta sama Buffalo
tinggal dipotongin aja
Iya.
gitu.
Buffalo aja nih.
Buffalo aja.
Iya.
Jadi bisa kita tolong ya nanti ya. I can print out. I will make the picture first. Okay.
Masih bingung dia.
Akses sekolah juga.
So you have your reminder.
Yes, but that means because we still need to practice the ice breaking and game. Wait. Okay. For the 6th to the 8th meetings, it's just fun activities. So for the 6th meeting, it's movie time and Q&A. So I have already provided the complete step here. So you just need to follow the steps. I already provide the link of the video, the questions, and so on. Yeah, I think it's easy to understand because I make it in detail. So you just need to follow it. And then for the 7th meeting is still movie time and also role play. So the movie for the previous one it's 30 minutes. But for the 7th meeting, the movie is very short because we have mini role play. And what about the mini role play? The mini role play here, I have already made the instruction and also the script. So because the class contains 10 students, they have to be divided into two teams. Every team has 5 members: cow, cat, rabbit, dog, and script reader. Nah ini nanti boleh baca, they can read the story. Tapi nggak hanya baca, kalau mini role play-nya itu nggak hanya baca, tapi mereka harus ekspresif juga. Makanya nanti sebelum mereka practice with their team, nanti teman-teman bisa membagi mereka ke 2 grup dan membagi karakternya. Contohnya di grup ini kan udah ada 5 anak. Nanti bisa Afriza jadi cow, terus Miss Zoe jadi cat, kayak itu udah di plotting. Baru nanti teman-teman bisa mempraktekkan membaca sama ekspresinya gimana, intonasinya gimana, biar anak-anak yang dapat karakter itu bisa ngikutin. Oke, sekarang karakter yang dapat cow siapa? Oke, who is cow here? Raise your hand. Now please repeat after me. Moo, I'm so hungry now. Nah itu nanti biar yang dapat karakter tuh tahu, oh aku tuh harus baca ini loh nanti sama ekspresinya sesuai sama yang dicontohin missnya kayak gitu. Jadi awalnya teman-teman bisa memplotting dulu, baru nanti ngasih contoh ke mereka, baru ngasih waktu ke mereka untuk practice with the team. And in the end of the session, they can do the mini role play. Can you figure out this activity, please? Okay. Any question?
How if we run out of time? Kan itu kita harus datangin juga.
Okay. So for this one, it's only 3 minutes, miss. Jadi video yang pertama itu hanya 3 menit. Kemungkinan karena mereka baca ya, miss ya. Menurut aku cukup sih.
Oh, bacanya pakai intonasi gitu.
Iya. Jadi nggak menghafal. Mereka baca tapi harus ada ekspresi sama intonasinya. Gitu. Makanya tadi dari miss-missnya juga harus memberikan contoh ya. I'm so hungry now. Nah itu jadi anak-anak yang dapat karakter itu juga harus ikutin. And then for the last meeting, the last meeting is only fun activities, so it's playing game and giving feedback and evaluation. I already put the details that here. So for the game we will practice together. Nah nanti pas ada anak yang gagal untuk melakukan game itu, mereka akan mendapatkan powder, dan juga mereka harus berdiri mengikuti ekspresi yang Miss pilihin. Jadi nanti Miss harus milihin salah satu ekspresi ini, contohnya kayak oh my goodness, you look so pretty. Nah, itu nanti anak yang fail itu dia harus ngikutin ekspresi yang sudah Miss ucapin dengan ekspresi dan juga gesturnya. Itu sebagai konsekuensi karena dia fail. Nanti gamenya kayak gimana? Nanti kita practice together. this? Any question? Yes.
No.
No. Okay. Now we can practice ya, Miss ya, for the ice breaking and also the gate. Okay. Can stand up, Miss. And Mr. Can you stand up, please?
Stand up in
For the
the
ice breaking. Ice breaking. So I provide two ice breaking in this lesson plan, but for the rest of the ice breaking, you can just explore it yourself, like this. The first one is coconut, but it's not C-O-C-O-N-U-T, no. It is coconut, C-O-C-O-nut, coconut.
Kita lagi gimana?
Iya.
Me as a baby kan always like that.
I see your face.
Belum. Kan kayak gitu.
Oke, you can follow me ya. Oke, you can follow me. Coconut, C-O-C-O-nut, coconut, C-O-C-O-nut. One hand to the right, right, one hand to the left, left. Shake your body,
Shake your body.
he. Put your hands up, hop. Ah, it is, okay. 1, 2, 3. Coconut, C-O-C-O-nut, coconut, C-O-C-O-nut. One hand to the right, right. One hand to the left, left. Shake your body, he. Put your hands up, hop. Understand? Okay,
Ayo, Pak.
you can lead the dance.
Sebentar.
Come on everyone.
Ayo.
Repeat after me.
Okay.
Ayo.
Go.
Wait.
Kok tahu?
Sorry. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Coconut. C-O-C-O-nut. Coconut. C-O-C-O-nut. One hand to the right. Right. One hand to the left. Left. Shake your body. He. Put your hands up. Hop.
Okay, if you forget, you can ask Miss Arin. Okay, the second ice breaking. Open, shut them, give a little tat. Open, shut
Tulisannya juga bingung.
them, put them on your head. Open, shut them, give a little tat. Open, shut them, put them on your nose. Open, shut them, give a little tat. Open, shut them, put them on your mouth. You can
Random
choose
ya,
everything.
iya, random.
Mouth or cheeks or maybe
Body parts ya?
Yeah, okay. 1, 2, 3. Open, shut them, give a little tat. Open, shut them, put them on your head. Open, shut them, give a little tat. Open, shut them, put them on your nose. Open, shut them, give a little tat. Open, shut them, put them on your knee. Okay, is it understandable? Kalau buat yang level 1, maybe you can make it slower. Okay, if you forget, you can ask Miss Tayo. Okay, for any lyric for that. Huh?
I record it. It's okay.
This record.
Really?
I record it.
Okay, now let's have a game. We have a game. Heaven Hell. No. Heaven Hell. Do you ever know that? I think in Bali it's very familiar.
Itu yang kalau di show.
So in Heaven Hell we have to mention our name and also the other name. Tapi nggak boleh mention yang sebelahnya. Nah, kalau mereka mention sebelahnya berarti mereka dapat powder dan juga mereka harus ikut tadi ekspresi yang sudah tertera di situ yang dibacakan sama Miss-nya. Nanti harus berdiri, mereka berdiri dapat powder dan juga harus itu mengungkapin ekspresinya tadi. Oke. Heaven Hell. Dulu
Siapa?
Anissa itu. Oh,
Tapi nggak boleh sebelahnya.
Nah, pas Anissa siapa? Tapi nggak boleh mention teman sebelahnya. Oh
Yeah, let's go.
Let's try.
Yeah, sorry.
1, 2, 3. Even help. Even help. Lulu Sania.
Oh, gantian ya?
Ntar Afiza, oke. One. Ya, oke.
Oke,
Kalau
ya.
berhasil sebelahnya.
Gantian nih.
Bukan
Yang mana dia sebut?
yang salah.
Nah, tadi habis
Nah,
misal
how-
sebut itu terus siapa?
Iya,
Yang
yang
disebut.
Dia
Disebut
langsung
aja.
dia nyebut Sania siapa gitu, tapi nggak boleh temen yang
Oh,
sebelahnya.
oke.
Even help.
Oke, Wisoi akan mulai yuk.
Benar.
Ayo, bisa dulu.
Wisoi dulu.
1, 2, 3.
Even help.
Even help.
Dulu Arin.
Arin dan Burhan.
Gak boleh sebelahnya.
Oh iya. Berarti bukan kalau benar bukan ke sebelahnya tapi orang yang dipanggil.
Nah,
Ya, gitu. Nah, nanti kalau salah kayak gitu tadi nyebut berarti harus dapat powder dan juga berdiri diikutin ekspresi harus bacakan. Gitu.
Kan yang pertama nyebut namanya sendiri dulu.
Iya, harus dari dulu.
Oh,
iya, soal lain.
Anissa, tapi nggak boleh sebelahnya.
Oh.
udah ngecek fokus bener sih.
Dan kalau terlalu lama itu berarti kakak juga yang bisa ya. Oke.
Zoe, Sania.
Start from start Afiza. 1, 2, 3. Even help. Even help.
Riza Sania.
Sania Riksa.
Aku lagi, aku lagi.
Yang berikutnya ada yang panggilnya dulu apa langsung
Harusnya
nyebutan?
bentukannya dua kan sih, Miss? Ya. Ini.
Cepet ini guys.
Nah,
Gitu.
Nah nanti yang berikutnya ada evaluasinya lagi apa langsung nyebut namanya?
Kalau dia salah. Kalau dia salah,
Repeat
ulang
lagi, repeat.
start.
Jadi maksud kesepurahan tuh kayak setelah aku nih. Terus apakah misalnya tuh langsung ngomong?
Atau ada event hellnya dulu?
Langsung.
Oh,
Yaudah, start from start Burhan.
Yo, siap.
1, 2, 3. Even help. Even help.
Burhan Zoe.
Zoe, Lestari.
Siapa?
Masa Arin itu siapa?
Ya.
Mulai dari Miss Zoe. 1, 2, 3.
Even help.
Even help.
Zoe dulu.
Lulu Sania.
Sania Burhan.
Burhan Herlambang. Jangan di sini. Nggak boleh, itu nggak boleh.
Oh ini kayak ikut bisa gini di sana gini juga sih.
Jadi kayak gitu.
Ya.
That's the game. So if they can do that, so they have to get powder and also tell or say the expression that you say to the student. Okay?
Oke.
Any question? So far?
The song.
Sudah recordnya tuh.
Kan record audio.
I will write it.
Or we want
Masih
to
ingat
record
kok.
it together. Doing
No, itu bingung yang the first class itu loh.
Open shut them.
Open
Open
close.
shut them.
Apa?
Open shut them.
Nah, open shut dan terus
Open
terus
shut
class
them.
apa berikutnya itu tadi?
Kayak keduanya.
Keep the leader.
Give.
Give.
Oh.
Give a little ta ta ta. Give a little ta ta ta. Yeah, you cannot find it on YouTube because I make it.
Itu warm up-nya buat activity 78.
Maksudnya
Oh,
the
activity
icebreaking.
78. Atau
Icebreaking is already provided in the lesson plan, which is is that if I don't put the icebreaking, that means you have to make your own icebreaking. So I really need your cooperation, guys, and I do hope that you can prepare it very well, and because storytelling it's all about expressions, body movement, so you can explore the body movement, intonation, expressions to give the best for your students. And then we are going to have the micro teaching practice on Friday for Karangbong. So I hope you guys can prepare it. Maybe you can just choose one meeting from the lesson plan. We will share the module. You can choose any stories that you prefer. And after that, you can perform the micro teaching on Friday.
so how long is it the micro teaching is? How long? Is it 30 minutes for
No,
each teacher?
Maybe
Only
just
10 minutes.
10 to 15 minutes maybe
For each.
for each. How many teachers here?
3.
3 teachers. Okay.
This all of us.
So one, yeah, it's enough, I think. 10 to 15.
Sudah ada question guys? Yang mau
I cuma implement one of the lesson plan.
One of the from the first to the third meetings because we focus on the theory first.
Jangan yang 8 isinya.
Oh berarti guys, ada satu meeting, 3 meeting.
Enggak satu-satu.
You can choose.
Choose
first or the
Pas yang
second.
paling desain first, you
Yeah.
third, besok itu. Second.
Or you want to
Bagi-bagi
divide it
aja.
1, 2, 3 like that. So you can maybe like have evaluation each other, like the example
Satu-satu aja.
to for
Sama
the
kita
first
orang.
meeting, the second meeting. Who wants to be the first meeting? Miss Anissa.
Oke, kita bisa.
First meeting for level 1.
Yeah, who
level
first
one.
meeting?
Oh.
Okay, who wants
Yang lain
the
coba nanti level 2, level 3.
second meeting?
Ada.
Second meeting level 2. Okay, third meeting level 3, the highest level. You said that you have the experience last
So
year.
let me.
As
So we trust you.
participant.
So we trust you.
Yeah.
level yang ada
Okay.
Okay.
undang.
Okay. Maybe if you have any idea that you want to deliver, just like let us know, and we'll try to help you with this.
Is there anything else, guys?
Something else. Nah, itu
There's the
tadi.
consumption.
Question.
Consumption. So that means okay.
It's clear.
So thank you very much for your nice attention. We do hope that the program can run well, and we need cooperations. Let's close our. We don't open business month. Let's
Yeah,
close our meeting by Alhamdulillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.